time. And Trinidad and Tobago's best ever performance was a semifinal finish in 2000. Today, they can...
Andre, but it's a pile of love,
Please
though.
do.
It's love, because I got a lot of love and respect for this guy.
All the more special. Again, it's the first time these two have ever met in the Gold Cup. You can argue it's the biggest fixture between these two. These two countries have played in the region. Trinidad and Tobago started their stuff in Fort Lauderdale last time out. 3-0 winners against St. Kitts and Nevis in their Gold Cup debut. And it will be a huge... St. Louis, Missouri, ahead of this match day 2 encounter in Group Bailey, and the always imposing Mikel Antonio lead a very the boys tonight, the Soccer Warriors of Trinidad and Tobago. Final 8. Benjamin Pineda, Ricardo Montero of Costa Rica, white trim and the black shorts. Leon Antonio plays in Bobby Reed, big early chance for Jamaica. It's into the side netting. Golden opportunity here for the Reggae boys. Mikel Antonio, the West Ham man. Javane Brown's ball into the penalty area. Front there from Kevin Lambert. Phoenix Rising in the USL Championship. And it's a bursting run from Mikel Antonio. He's brought down to the start in the back four. Good defensive challenge from him. First ever meeting between these two rivals at the Gold Cup. Gets it upfield for Trinidad and Tobago. The play it goes on the far side. It'll stay. The last competitive meeting was in the Caribbean Cup final in 2014, nearly a decade ago. 2015 and 17 lost to Mexico. Low getting on the score sheet for Jamaica. Their draw. It's the play alive. Bailey out wide. Damari Gray scores! Just his second game for Jamaica. Damari Gray scores his first goal for the Reggae boys. And inside of 14 minutes, the men in gold take the lead. Minutes in these opening games. And now to the top, everyone looks to see if the offside flag is up. Leon Bailey did as well, and he scores! But now the flag does come up. Even Leon Bailey had a moment to check. It's a goal. VAR checked it. Leon Bailey was onside, and he scores for Jamaica. His 4th international goal. Went on from there. They've got the second goal here, and they want another. Antonio. Big push at the back there. To Baudier. Two goal scorers connect here. Gray to Bailey. Bailey going at Jones on that far side. Wins Jamaica a corner. Possessed by Garcia. It's good defensive. This is low. Over the top, looking for Antonio. Vance. Here's Mikel Antonio. Lovely sliding challenge. He's played in Gray. And Gray has scored again for Jamaica. Flag has stayed down for now. A brace for Damari Gray. He now has as many goals for Jamaica as he has appearances. And Jamaica. This is what Jamaica were looking to do against the U.S. They couldn't. Wide by Lambert. Lawrence's ball in. Bailey for Gray. Gray's on a hat trick. It's well defended by Jones. Again, it is going to be a corner for the Reggae boys. 3rd place back in '93 as well. They're actually 5 times. Tries to thread a pass through for Levi Garcia. And he is fouled. Free kick. Lambert. Ooh, that's going to be a late challenge there. Yellow card is out. Baudier was brought down. Gray leaves it. Bailey strikes it and curls it over the goal. It wasn't a bad effort. He gets Mikel Antonio tries a first-time ball into the penalty area in the attack. Reed's in the middle. Antonio is in the middle as well. Leon Bailey loses possession in the end. One back. Ball in is a good one. It was a slicing effort. In the end, the follow-through there on the attempt gets the worst for Bato. And Trinidad and Tobago do win a free kick. Trinidad and Tobago can pick up the pieces here. This is Fortune at the break. Dexter Makisa has come on. Fortune make way, and Kylie Overy has come on. +3 at the moment. Trinidad and Tobago are up. Can he change the tide here? Good ball across, it's in! Trinidad and Tobago do have a response. Andre Rampersad gets them back in it. And at the start of the second half, the Soccer Warriors are back within 2. It's 3-1. Made an impact, as have the changes, as well as Leon Bailey is taken out there. Go have been able to do here. And the next on a hat trick, Mikel Antonio across for Bailey. And Bailey can't believe his luck. He's missed it. Jones down the line here. Gomez in. Regains some momentum and control. Centrally. Prasad trying to. Leon Bailey. Curling it in. Jones. Ball is through. Oh, it was nearly. Leon Bailey. Couple of step overs. Bailey runs out of room. It's a goal kick. Came on. Mikel Antonio gets free. And in the end, his shot was blocked and deflected on the way through. It lifted the shot, but it also took all of the sting out of the shot. Gorgeous run. Plays in Nicholson! And it's saved! Frender up keeps it out. Antonio was on the doorstep. He couldn't get it either. On the attack. His ball into the middle. Bailey's there! And Bailey can't put it on target. It was a very difficult in. Damari Gray is on a hat trick, but he lets it run by him. And the goalkeeper is able to hold on. Gray falls down behind him. After a bit of a coming together, not much there. Referee on the scene to make in the first half an hour of this game. They scored 3 times. St. Kitts and Nevis. Almost floated into the penalty area. Low. Oh, and the referee has pointed to the penalty spot here. In the air. Now Johnson weaving his way through. He shoots. And he misses the target, the substitute. With a lovely little move here. Great close control.